It is called presentation language, HTML, that is used for displaying the text in formatted manner. And HTML is, you can say, it is provided by uh, W3C. W3C. It is an organization. It is one of the organization, non-profit organization. W3C, that is called World Wide Web Consortium. Consortium. That is what W3C. And it is what I said, non-profit organization. So these all companies together, all these companies together, I'm saying, they have formed, all these companies together, they have formed what? W3C. Which companies? Microsoft, Oracle Corporation, IBM, all these companies, top companies, all together they have formed W3C. And always remember, whenever W3C introduces something, it is always for the benefit of all companies. Simple example we'll take, then we'll proceed with the rest of the thing. When we design HTML, now HTML will run on Internet Explorer, HTML will run on Chrome, HTML will run on Firefox, HTML will run on Opera, HTML will run on Edge, HTML will run on Safari, HTML will run on various other browsers. These all are browsers provided by different companies. So HTML is not designed only for Internet Explorer. It is not designed only for Chrome. W3C has designed W3C has designed HTML. It is for all the companies. It is for the benefit, or it is for the usage of all the companies. It is not for one. It is for all. Many are there, many. And this W3C, and when HTML was introduced, it is provided by Tim Berners-Lee. He is the person who has HTML introduced. Tim Berners, Berners, Berners-Lee, Lee, in the year 1991. First HTML was introduced. After that, they got different versions. Like after that, HTML plus was introduced. That was in 1993, right? And after that, 2.0 was there, and 4.0 was there. After that, they have changed the name to XHTML. XHTML. That was in 2000. And latest we find is HTML5. Now remember, this HTML5 is introduced by two groups actually. One is W3C, that is however a company, non-profit organization, I said, W3C. And second is WhatWG, one more group it is, WhatWG, Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group it is. WhatWG. First W is what? Web. H hypertext, A application, T technology, W working, G group. Combination. These two groups have introduced the latest version of HTML, that is HTML5. Now, another interesting thing is especially about HTML syntax. Syntax of HTML says, first we come up with document type. First we come up with what? Document type. And there are many document types available. What document types? Nothing but these versions I said, no? Versions. Document type. HTML, XHTML, HTML5, HTML 2.0. Which document? So document always gives a clear information to browser to display the web page correctly. Document. I'll show you now where document type will be, how it will be and all. And after that you'll have HTML tag, then open tag, then close tag, then title, we have etc. etc. In that syntax I'm saying. I'll show you what is it through practical. And another interesting thing is, especially for HTML, we have been provided to work with some editor, HTML editor. You can design an HTML page using Notepad also. Notepad is not meant only for typing text document. Even I can use Notepad for writing C# program. Even I can use Notepad for writing ASP.NET program. Even I can use Notepad for writing writing the tags of HTML. Anything. Okay. Now, what are those editors? I just now said I can use Notepad. I can use Notepad plus plus. Even we can use our Visual Studio. So my examples, what I demonstrate will be in Visual Studio. We have something called Adobe Dreamweaver. That is another editor. We have something called Expression Web, Microsoft Expression Web for web page, for HTML. Edit Plus, brackets, TextPad. These all are HTML editors. The big list is there. I gave you few for your reference. Few I gave for reference. These all are what now? HTML editors. Then coming to HTML design part, what we find is we have been provided our HTML design that will be containing tags, HTML tags. In HTML tags, which you also call as markup, HTML markup tags. Usually, whenever I say HTML markup tag, we always put them in angle brackets, less than, greater than symbol. Always HTML tag comes in pairs. They always come in pairs. HTML end tag, either you can put forward slash or you can put backslash. And another important thing is, whenever you close, either it can be before or after the tag. And another important thing about HTML is HTML always provides two things. Tags, and one more is there. Entities. HTML consists of tags and entities. I'll show you what it means now. And under tags, you'll have paired tags and unpaired tags. Paired tag means the tag which will have open tag and close tag. Example like this. HTML closing HTML. Under HTML, body, close body. Above, we have head section. You'll have close of it. These all are what? Paired tags. Paired. Unpaired tags, you'll have like this. I'll have one example here. BR. One tag is there. BR. Break line. Which will have only open, not closing. Or sometimes you'll have closing, not open. Anyways, any one will be there, I mean to say. That's called unpaired tag. Paired means open and close will be there. Unpaired means either open will be there or close will be. Any one will be there, but combination will not be there. This is one unpaired tag. One more unpaired tag we have HR. We have one more unpaired tag called IMG. So let's go and see them. How do you do all this stuff through Visual Studio? Yes. Will in C drive, or in a folder only. Okay. Here only I'll create. Okay. Now go to Visual Studio. Now what to do? File, new, file. Project 9. File, new file. I said, please listen and see carefully and understand. HTML page. Click open. Yes. First line is document type. I'm talking about HTML. If you are going with HTML5, write HTML5. If you are implementing XHTML, then write XHTML. Basic point is HTML. And this is automatically code generated by Visual Studio. And one file is already there, HTML page. I won't add this. Just have shown you how an HTML page is created. Okay. Now what do you want to do? Go to Solution Explorer. Yes, you already have something mentioned there. Solution 1. Right click on this. Add new solution folder. Yes. What is our location? Go there. C drive, batch 6 p.m. Here I create. Under batch 6 p.m. What is that you're creating now is HTML, CSS, JS. I would have created this as folder first. Okay. I better do that so that everything will be as one subgroup. C drive, batch PM, right click, new folder, give a name. Okay, all right. This will be best. Hmm. So it means all I'll put in one folder. I mean to say HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript. All I'll put in one. For that reason, I created that folder. Chalo, come back. Hmm. Now right click on the solution one folder, add new solution folder. C drive. Now you give a name. HTML, CSS, JS, default extension .slm. Again, I'm giving same thing. Already I gave one folder, no? HTML, CSS, JS already I gave. Okay, I'll give something else then. HTML files I'll give better. Inside this folder, you'll have HTML files and click on save. Hmm. Now we are going to have one more subfolder automatically got highlighted. I'll just change this. HTML pages. Some name I give. Okay. Now close this file. Don't save. Come back to Solution Explorer. See the hierarchy. You want to see operating system also? C drive. HTML, CSS, JS, HTML file. .slm. Yes. Inside this SLM file, now one subfolder is created by name called HTML page. Now you want to add a file. Right click, add new item, HTML page, change the name. I call demo1.html. Yes, now it is added. Put your message. HTML info. From Visual Studio. ID dot 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 dot. Some message I give. Okay, it's saved. Now go to Solution Explorer. Right click on this HTML file. Click on this. View in browser. Yes. In my machine, default browser for my machine is Internet Explorer. So my file has been provided output through Internet Explorer. If you want to get the output of your file in a different browser, then right click on that file, browse with, here we have Chrome, browse. Don't make it default. Here I have set as default. I'm not interested. Browse. Now the output of our file will be in Chrome. Yes, Chrome gets opened. My file gets executed. Message will come on the screen. Yes. If not this, third technique. Right click on demo1.html, browse with internal web browser. Browse. This is browser provided by Visual Studio. Output will come in Visual Studio only. Yes. One tab is opened. In the tab, output is produced. Again, Solution Explorer. Right click on the file. Browse with Edge. Yes, this is in Edge. Same program we have now produced, or we have provided, or we have executed through what? Different browsers. Right. Now I want to add one more file. Solution Explorer. Right click on this folder. Add new item. HTML page. Give the name as demo2. Yes. Already two files. Demo1 is containing that. Demo2 is containing this code. New file. Now what do you want to add in this now? headings H1. This is heading 1. H2. This is heading 2. This is heading 3. Direct. Title also I'll give here for understanding. Demo on heading tag. Solution Explorer. Demo2.html. View in browser. Yeah. Heading 1 little bigger size. Heading 2 little smaller. Heading 3 still little smaller. Like that you can make it different. Okay. In the same example, I'm covering this. Heading 4. This is heading 4. Now after all this, what I need is, I want to draw one line. HR. See, HR / is at the end. Opening tag is not there for HR. Horizontal ruler. Yes, one ruler line is there. After each tag you're interested, copy paste. HR. 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 Yes. Okay. Now, exactly same way. Now, what I would like to do, going further, here I'll write. One I'll write. This is one line of data. This is second line of data. And this is third line of data. But if I run now, all three will come in same line. Yes. But I want them in separate lines. So for that, after each line, I'm supposed to write break line. Yes. Even here also I can write tag inside another tag. Possible. You can write break line. Yes. Heading 1 is in new line. But like this you cannot write for HTML tag. This is wrong. H1 is there. Inside H1 you write break line. This is wrong. Error it is. Tag inside the tag, not allowed. But tag within another tag, yes, possible. This is error. But Tag is there. Inside that we have content. In that content you want to use another tag, possible. Then save this. Third file. Third. Right click, add new item. Demo 3. Yes. Now I want to have paragraph of information. Now, so I mean to say I have to type now paragraphs of data. So for this compulsory, you can do one thing. Either you copy paste some content so that the information looks like paragraph, like I do here. P, paragraph. Now you keep on typing the data, keep on typing, so that the complete information will come in the form of paragraph. Or another approach, if you want your paragraph information to be there in the output, and you don't want to, because you're practicing tags, this is not any real time thing and all, you're practicing the tags. So if you want to get the text for paragraph automatically, then you have to download this software. Which I already did for my system. Mm, somewhere I placed. Here it is. Okay. Okay. I'm unable to recollect, but I already downloaded for my machine. I placed somewhere else. It's not visible here. It's not showing me. Let me check whether Visual Studio has that or not. Okay, come back. Just put your cursor on this here, paragraph tag. Put your cursor. Press Alt Insert. Yes. The moment you say Alt Insert, you'll get this lorem. We call it as lorem. Lorem ipsum. Word soft. Now give 100 words. Yes, automatically code is generated. But you have to download this software. It's called Auto Text Generator. You have to download, install, then only this will come. You want to check, you can try like this also. I said what shortcut key, Alt Insert. Or do one thing. Right click in paragraph tag, you have an option. Generate text, Alt Insert. Click. Yes, same 100. Yes. Third file now. Demo 3. Yes. Paragraph of data. Or else you can attach like this also. Tools, get tools and features. You can come in this way also. Yes, yes, yes. This is Visual Studio Installer. Yes, Visual Studio Installer. Mm, okay, I should update and all these things should be done in the machine. You try out this. You can try in your machine. Just open that Visual Studio installer, or else open Chrome, any browser you open. Free download. Auto text generator. 5 best free automatic subtitle generator. So you extensions and updates. I'm trying from here, okay? Extensions and updates. Hmm. Here you have to search. What I said, auto text. Yeah, here. The meet generator. But for me, it's already there. Uninstalled because for me it's there. When you search, when you search, you'll find that option. Just click on install. That will be installed. Yeah, this is best I feel instead of going down. Better tools. extensions and update. You will get one window open here. So installed tools may, if you want to go for installed. Online, if you want, you can go for online, or you can go for this for updations now. This is for updations online. Yeah, here you can search online search dummy text generator. Yes, it's there, you see. For me, it's already installed now, so you got tick mark here. For you people, you have to select and click on install. That's it. Yeah, this will be best here. Go with this technique so that you'll get your text automatically that you want to have for your browser. Okay, everyone.